Hey, Basho. So tell me, for companies that supplies products, how can they use HubSpot?
Yeah, so for companies that supply products, so the way that they can use HubSpots, because of those company, they have, let's say, for instance, different products, and they do supply to different regions or different countries, and and then they have different rep people. They have different the different sales people, or they have those people that they go and then supply things, you see, in different things. So now what you're gonna do inside HubSpot, HubSpot has a CRM objects, different kind of CRM objects where you can register contacts, different companies, you see. And then the nice thing is that you can create custom objects with that. So with your custom objects, you can have different kind of products. You see, either you use your product with a custom object, or you can use the built-in HubSpot called products.
Yeah.
You see, we can have like a list of products. So now the supplier like that, they can have all their list of the products. You see, and then after that, the nice thing also with HubSpot is like workflow automation. So HubSpot has a beautiful workflow automation way that supplier can create, later for automation where they can send their rep people, you see, like task per schedule. You see, later for there is a schedule of sending product to a store. You see, so let's say, for instance, this manager or the sales rep manage, for instance, like Dubai, Emirates. There is another one managed, for instance, like Abu Dhabi. You see, there is another one managed Sharjah and stuff like that. And then now, so for every customer that they're gonna deliver the stuff to. So now with your with your workflow, so you can create a workflow when you have operations hub inside HubSpot. So you can create the workflow and then dispatch those tasks to each of those manager,
Yeah.
according to their regions. You see, so and then you can do scheduling and things like that. So yeah, so there is a lot of things that you can do, and HubSpot provide AppDB. So AppDB, you can create tabs. You can create the list of all the products, you see, so list all the products, and then if there is certain things that they're kind of like private, is where you're going to create a custom object, because of custom objects is like for internal purpose, and then AppDB, you can use it in the front end. Later, for instance, you are building the supplier company, they want to their website to display all their objects, all their products. So
yeah.
Which means that with AppDB, so you can create different tables, you can create child tables to bring all your data inside HubSpot, and then you can build out all your stuff there. And you can even create a membership system, you see, where later, for instance, the store, they can request for a product, you see. So we want the products to come later, for instance, every week, you see. So, and then you can request, so you can HubSpot can help you to create the membership system where you're going to have that form, and then you do the request, and that request is going to go to the automation. That automation is going to go to the sales rep, and then to the dispatcher manager, who's going to dispatch those products. And then after that, we have also e-commerce. You see, so you can integrate e-commerce with Stripe or with just HubSpot payment system. So you can do like if you're a supply company. So yeah, with HubSpot there is a lot of tools that can help you. We even have data sets. So with data sets, you can also create you can filter different data that you can bring a lot of CRM data into one thing, and then you create different kind of reports. You see, so the supplier people, so they like report stuff. So inside HubSpot we have reports, we have dashboards, and that's also you can have a different kind of report that you can have, different kind of dashboard that you can have. So there is a lot of nice stuff that you can do with HubSpot when you are running your company as a
supplier.
Yes.